All right, well, I've been sticking to reboxing videos, but I just can't help myself. This one is new packaging, and if you look at it, it is not very big. So this is the new release Samsung Galaxy Watch Active, and it just came out. It was actually in the store earlier, but they wouldn't let me pick it up till today. So I sold my Samsung Gear Sport, which came out in November of 2017, and I had that all throughout 2018 and just sold it and bought this. So let's open it up. Get your trusty knife out and let's see what's inside. Where's the tape? So this is the smallest box I have seen them do. If there's a charger in here, I'm going to be very impressed. So let's see, before that, lightweight smartwatch, all right. Advanced audio fitness tracking, HR and GPS, very nice. Swim ready, nice. So, and then a bunch of other stuff. Wow. So that's about it. So it looks like we get 2 bands and a sticker or something. So there's, oh my gosh, wow. Well, that was inventive. Is it me, or does that look a lot like the Apple charger? So the cord is looking nice. We'll play with that later. And we got 2 bands. Whoa, that is a lot smaller. So this is quite a bit smaller than the Samsung Galaxy Watch or the Samsung Galaxy Watch Big Brother. So there's the silver and black one, the all black and the gold. But I like it. It is light, heart rate sensor. So let's see, 22 millimeter band. And this is the small band, and this is the large band. So they put in that cool packaging so it doesn't scratch anything. Yeah, so it comes with 2 bands. Awesome, just like it always has. Thank you, Samsung. So pretty cool. So it looks like we'll just plug this in. Now it does do fast charging, so we'll plug it into a Samsung fast charger, and we'll see what the difference is. I wonder how much battery it came with. Okay, I guess that's not the charge one. Let's try the other one for the power button. And there we go. So we can compare this in size to another one. So this is the Fossil Sport, and this is the new Galaxy Watch Active. So it fits inside there. So it's probably a good 4 to 6 millimeters smaller. But hey, you know, that lightweight, nice screen. It looks like it is going to have a bit of a bezel, but all watches do. So it looks like we have to go. Let's go. Ah, we got to sync it first. All right, well, we'll sync it and we'll move forward. Be right back.